Hi, this is the review of the order trading system activity for October 22nd, 2021. We had 4 trades on that day, 2 were buys and 2 were short sales. First trade was BCRX. It tripped, that's BioCryst Pharmaceuticals, tripped at 11:47:59 a.m. at a price of $14.55. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 1470, up 0.62%, but down 2.52%, so it dropped in a little. It's this one. Let's see, roughly around here, yeah. It's not 47, so it came down around here, 1455, and I don't think it ever went down below that. The rest of the day it was actually up above it. 1462. It never came down below it. Basically, that was a floor that it hit. It did not move below it. So, it's interesting because volume, end of the day volume was going down, even though you can see a bit of a climb up there. MACD was down, DI was down, volume was down, something was down. I would say it's a possible. And that helps because after market on Friday, it was showing that it was down. So it's potentially going down still, even though it's questionable, obviously. Next trade is CAH. That's Cardinal Health Incorporated. Tripped at 11:57:37 a.m. at a price of $49.16. It was also a short sell. It closed the day at 49.57, up 1.04%, down 0.59% after hours. Still up above its triple price. So let's see, it came down here at 48, so roughly around here. 49, 14, 13, 17. Yeah. So 156, 12, 15. It was jumping back and forth here between 156 and 12, 15, so almost 20 minutes. As you can see just from the activity itself, very, 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 complex with respect to getting out probably, but there was 15 minutes there and you can see it dropped down multiple times below the tripping price, so I'm going to consider it a positive. It's not a strong positive, but I'm still going to consider it a positive. So that is, from the indicator perspective, yeah, look, indicators, look, it's coming down and then recovered in the afternoon. It came down MACD and then recovered. DI came down and recovered. Well, yeah, the stock recovered and they moved positive in the afternoon, even though it was moving negative in the early morning. Next trade is LPTX. That is Leap Therapeutics Incorporated. It tripped at 12:43:06 p.m. at a price of $2.82. And that was a buy. It closed the day at $2.91 and after hour 2.93, so definitely that stock looks to be moving positive. Check the indicators. Yep, let's see, 12, yeah. Came up, so all volume was moving up fairly steadily in the afternoon. MACD, you see, came up and stayed pretty much up averages wise. DI came up and stayed up fairly regularly also. You can see here back forward, sideways moves. We see boiler came up, so the stock definitely was moving positive, not on a consistent basis, but on a regular basis. And next trade is PENN. That is Penn National Gaming Incorporated, tripped at 1:25:35 p.m. at a price of $75.07. It was a buy. Closed the day at 74.63, down 3.38%. It's actually down 0.11% after hours. So that's interesting. 12. So it tripped right around here. You can see 1274.92, 75.20 there. Came down 75.18. There's a good 20-25 minutes after hours, even though kind of like the other stock, it wasn't pushing up heavily and it wasn't consistently up above the tripping price, but there were multiple points where it was above the tripping price. So I'm going to say that's a positive, yes, because of it. We'll check the indicators for it to see what they say. Now, see it came up, but in the afternoon it dropped off. And after it came up, now it just moved off, and after it came down, even though you see a little bit of jump here, but somewhat still moving downwards. The DI again in the early afternoon up, and then bouncing back and forth. It was just sideways moving and then negative at the end. Same thing coming back, came up here. So that's a bit of an iffy stock. It was moving positive, and then by the end of the day, it started to move negative again. But we'll leave it at that. And that is 3 out of 4 stocks, which is 75% obviously, and 100% with the possibility. So not a bad thing. I'll leave it at that. Thank you.